Dude, Claude is crazy. I'm literally building businesses side by side. Here, my website is updating, integrating all 3 business models within the site. Here are 3 different lead generation funnels, running all 3 different businesses with 1,000 leads in each funnel. Here on Claude Code, I have a scheduled lead automation that goes out every day, and this basically gives me a report on what's happening with the leads, and it activates the leads at 7 a.m. every day. So let's unpack this. How did I do this? Well, the first thing I did is I built my website on anti-gravity using a website I designed on Figma a while back. You don't need to use a website. You don't need to be a web designer. That's the whole point of Claude Code and Claude Design. It can do everything for you. You can add references in here, and you can add your Claude MD files, and you can kind of build your website and get out something like this. You guys can use as many references as you want. Let me just show you what this website looks like. It's so cool, guys. Like, I was able to incorporate the images. By the way, this whole file exists on my local folder on my desktop. I can manage, add images, control everything, and kind of control the data that's in there. I even have an interactive game here that I added that people can play to start learning kind of like what AI is and what they can do with it. And it's sort of like a Candy Crush game, which has a high score. And as you go and win your scores, you can learn what it is. My portfolios are here as well with sound. You can play the video. Check that out. How cool is that? And yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I can put my ads, everything in here, and yeah, you can design them in any grid column you want. If you're a web designer or you don't know, get a Claude MD skill file that has a web design skill, and you'll be able to get away with that. And then we also have our automation services and kind of other services we offer. This is the favorite part I want to show you guys. So I added this calendar here, and I didn't have a design like this. There's a website you can actually go to called 21st.dev, and you can get components like this that you can add to your website, which are pretty cool. I added this kind of calendar to my website, and you can copy the prompt, paste it on your anti-gravity or Claude, and it'll go ahead and build something similar for you in the section that you want. And then secondly, I went ahead and I built this lead generation campaign, which I'll send you the prompt for as well. And I also built an agent which you can sell and kind of track your reports, track your ads, how many were open, how many replied, add your CSV files for your clients, and kind of make it simple process for them. And you can do all of this with just 2 prompts, guys. I'm telling you, this is pretty cool. And of course, because I'm feeling very generous today, I'm going to give you guys the entire workflow, everything. The prompts I used to build the website on Anti-Gravity, the prompts I used to build the lead generation workflow on Claude Cowork, and every single other third-party website I use. Just send me a DM saying the words rich, and I'll send you guys everything.